Today we are going to hear a story called LLama, Red Pajama. While you're listening to this story, this is a really fun story because there's a lot of rhyme. And LLama learns a very valuable lesson about patience. It's bedtime, and baby llama has been given bedtime hugs and kisses. But now he's thirsty. While waiting for his mother to bring him a drink, his worst fears start buzzing through his head. You're going to learn about patience today with LLama. This is a great story. My own kids love this story. And this story helped him sleep at night too when he was having nightmares. And I could hear him saying some of the rhymes from the story when he was going to bed. When we're done, we're going to do some rhyming games on a worksheet. So listen to LLama, Red Pajama, and listen for the rhyming words.
Llama, Red Pajama by Aloud. Please subscribe to this channel and share these stories with a friend. Llama, Red Pajama. Llama, Red Pajama reads a story to his mama. Mama kisses baby's hair. Mama llama goes downstairs. Llama, Red Pajama feels alone without his mama. Baby llama wants a drink. Mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama, Red Pajama calls down to his llama mama. Mama says she'll be up soon. Baby llama hums a tune. Llama, Red Pajama, waiting for his mama. Mama isn't coming yet. Baby llama starts to fret. Llama, Red Pajama, whimpers softly for his mama. Mama llama hears the phone. Baby llama starts to moan. Llama, Red Pajama, listens quiet for his mama. What is Mama llama doing? Baby llama starts boo-hooing. Llama, Red Pajama hollers loudly for his mama. Baby llama stomps and pouts. Baby llama jumps and shouts. Llama, Red Pajama in the dark without his mama. Eyes wide open, covers drawn. What if Mama llama's gone? Llama, Red Pajama, weeping, wailing for his mama. Will his mama ever come? Mama llama, run, run, run! Baby llama, what a tizzy! Sometimes Mama's very busy. Please stop all this llama drama and be patient for your mama. Little llama, don't you know Mama llama loves you so? Mama llama's always near. even if she's not right here. Llama, llama, red pajama, gets 2 kisses from his mama, snuggles pillow, soft and deep. Baby llama goes to sleep.